Right, so activities do not have object sharing tables, so clearly there's a different mechanism to consider here. Activities can either be private or controlled by a parent in your org-wide defaults. They have no sharing rules and access always goes up the hierarchy. So if the org-wide default is private, then that means that only the activity owner and users above the activity owner in the role hierarchy can edit and delete the activity. And users who have read access to the record to which the activity is associated with, they can view and report on the activity. Now, if however we set our org-wide default to controlled by parent, then a user can perform an action such as view, edit, transfer, delete on the activity based on whether they can do that for the record it's associated to. Now, as a user, when we look at the open activity and activity history related lists on an account, we're really seeing two different things here. So the activities directly associated with the account that are not private, and the activities of some related objects potentially. So just keep that in mind. It depends on what objects we can see and what records we can see. And access to tasks and events or visibility in activity history will usually come at the end of a very long question on the exam. So if you understand the access to the parent record and know the org-wide defaults for activities, it's fairly straightforward.